took the glass pack and tailpipe off my Ranger. Tailpipe and thrush glass pack. Now it's just straight pipe, there's no cat. Comes out right here. See, no cat. The cat should have been right around in here. And this is hanging down right now, but that's fine. And here's what it sounds like. Louder in person. I don't think it's really that loud on camera. It's much louder in person. I think the plug is up so it ain't missing or shaking real bad. But yeah, like I said, there's that and this tailpipe. I'll trade for actual cherry bomb glass back and tailpipe. I'll trade both of these for it if anybody has one. I'll give you a couple more revs. And if anybody can give me any tires, that'll help too. I need some tires. I need two for the front there, 225/75 R14s. Well, if anybody even has one, that'll